So, good morning, everybody. 19 CS 402 database management system and unit number 3 database design. Unit topic number 4 domain key denormalization. So, before we saw the topic names are normalization, first normal form, second normal form, third normal form, and boys cordon. What is denormalization? So, we can use the denormalization easily find out particular value in the database management system. So we go for next one. What is domain key normal? So domain key, if every constraints as a relation is a logical sequence of definition of key domain. So a constraint is the definition is any rule precise enough that can evaluate whether or not true. For example, serial number, name, address. Serial number 1, name Karthikeyan and address SS Street. That is serial number 1, Raju and SR Street. So once I have stored your database and before once the conditions, whether it is true or not. If it is true, automatically store your database server, your data. Suppose if the data redundancy is available, once check your condition after remove the table from your database. This is a condition of evaluate. So a key is unique identifier. Each and every row is unique identifier value is must your table. For example, my roll number. For example, 7133 114 001. This is a unique value. And the second person 002 003. This is a unique value of a key unique identifier of row in your table. Suppose same value 001 is present your table. So easily not find out any data you can store in your database. This is the process in the sector. Second, here domain is the set of permit value of attribute. Permit value of attribute. This is the most important in the area. Next one. So this is one of the example. Customer ID, product, sales. So the product IDs all are different, but product values are only laundry detergent, toothpaste, chlorine, bleach. These are single value, and remaining a fourth one is a repeated one. So you can duplication can be stored your table, chance your area. That means data redundancy can be chances your area. So you can find out answer basic condition of denormalization, and after remove the process, you can store your database. So table sales ID, product ID, key is customer ID, constraint customer ID, determine product and product determine price, and customer ID must be a integer of greater than thousands. This is a find out process in the table. So denormalization is a strategic database manager used to increase performance of data fees infrastructure. Database your infrastructure. It involved adding return data to normalized database to reduce a certain type of problem with the database query. That is combined data from various tables in a single table. The definition of denormalization is depends on definition normalization, which is define the process of organization database into the table correctly to promote given as. So once data store panita after completion, once verify basic condition of unique primary ID 101, 102 same. So data redundancy can be occur. So we can modify the number 101, 102. So after that, can easily you store particular name of your data. Example, student address, phone number, mail ID. This is the denormalization process. So problem of denormalization, make row longer, makes data transfer longer, need more memory for memory processing, and cause redundancy and expensive updated your data in the area. This is a problem of denormalization. So typically, denormalization technique flat the repeating group in one table. For example, employee he hash he name, skill he has he skill, and you use employee he has skill name when employee has smaller and has is the attribute of the particular table. So this means use two of one of algorithm. One of algorithm must be ensure your table. For example, um, all values are single value and atomic once verify condition. So this is the process of single first normal form your conditions. So second, the table embedded table code interpretation of reference table instead of flight hash depart from code from the code to the code. Once verify a condition, the code airport name use the flight fs departs from the AP, from the code to AP and to be code. This is the one check condition. Basic of your flight departure, flight arrival, and from and to. This is a condition of your process. So second, the combine 1:1 or 1:many. Means many. 1:1, 1:1. So when n is small and record one table side and smaller than amount of NCS available in your table. So instead of you can modify your value, sales has SP name and sales date and sales item as line hash co quantity. Use the sales hash line hash SP name and sales date and code and quantity. This is a condition of your sectors. And continue when another entity is not interesting of by itself. So order name, order date, order ship term, payment term, C name, C address. Replicate non-frequently updated attribute to avoid joins. So work on SSN, P number, P name, hours. So this is a condition of denormalization once verified and update your database in the system. So please find out the activity. This answer makes row longer, makes data transfer longer, needs more for memory process, cost redundancy, and expensive date update in your database. This is my answer for denormalization in your process.